your boy Andre Garcia 5.0 once again, and today's gonna be the last POV drive ever with the automatic transmission. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, because yeah, this is gonna be historical right here, since this is gonna be the last POV video with my automatic transmission setup. So yeah, I guess we'll do a little comparison video once I go manual. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so here we are on the freeway. I'll shut up for you guys. That sounds pretty good under the bridge. Now we have the windows back up. As you guys can hear, it's in desperate need of a new transmission, but thankfully we're taking care of that at the moment. When you guys are watching, this will be in the process of happening. Oh, a little bump right there. Alright, not too bad with this Beltec suspension. Alright, let's go on this nice little back road in Mexico. See what she does. Just like Matt Moran Motoring would say. As you guys can see, it's a little bumpy, so don't mind me moving the camera quite a bit, but yeah. Whoa, shit. Oh, damn, why did I go through this road? It's so shitty right here. Alright, man, get out of the way, please. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay, yeah, no, this was a terrible idea going through this road. Holy crap. Alright, never again. Never again. Alright, now we're going slow in this bumpy road. As you guys can see, it's nice and quiet in here. Man, I cannot wait to be rolling through the gears and turns like this. It's gonna sound a lot better than this right here, that's for sure. Alright, the road gets nicer over here in Mexico, so I'll do a little launch for you guys right now after this truck passes. Alright, put the windows down for you guys. Alright, can you guys hear that right there? Oh yeah. And that's just the truck stalling up. I have my foot on the brake. Alright, let's launch her. I want to spin some tires, so I'm not really gonna trip too much about traction. So all right, let's do this. Oh yeah, that was a proper send-off right there. Alright, let's do another launch, but this time I actually want to get a good launch. But first, let me find a nice road to do that on. There was too many eyes on this road right now, and I did not want to bring that attention to myself because fuck all that. So yeah, let's look for a nice little road right down here. Of course, we're in Mexico, so don't forget that. Yeah. The windy roads. Doesn't handle too terrible for what it is. I mean, I'm not saying it handles great by any means, but I mean, compared to a stock truck, I mean, it's significantly better. So there's that going on for it, that aspect. All right, let's do a nice little launch right here. All right, never mind to that. Haha. Well, now it doesn't want to go into first gear. Alright, that was a fail. Like I've said in other videos before, after driving the truck for a certain amount of time, it likes to do this where it'll get too hot and it doesn't want to go into first gear nor overdrive. So yeah, I just need to let this truck sit down for a while. For a few minutes, and it'll be fine again. But yeah, this is pretty annoying, not gonna lie. So this is another reason why I decided to go with the TR6060, because I was definitely tired of having this problem. So yeah, I mean, thankfully I'm not gonna have that problem anymore. So yeah, that's why I am ditching the automatic transmission. Alright, so I turned off my truck in the middle of this intersection right here, so let's see if that fixes the problem this time. Oh, there you go. We're good now. Alright, let's launch this bitch now. Because what's promised is promised. Alright, that was a nice launch right there actually. Alright. Not much wheel spin. And yeah, it was pretty consistent. Definitely pulls nice. I mean, it could always be faster though, so there's no denying that. today's video. This video was filmed, like I said, the day before that I took my truck to go get the TR6060 installed. Still, as of right now, I do not really have much of an update. I'm still waiting for parts. But other than that, I mean, everything else is going pretty smooth, and I can't wait for it to be done and show it to you guys. So, yeah. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to everybody. All right, guys, stay blessed. Peace out.